Have you ever wondered what the future of space travel might hold for us? Today we find ourselves in an era of unprecedented advancements, with the cosmos no longer a realm solely accessible to science fiction. Let's take a step back and understand where we currently stand in our cosmic journey. The International Space Station, a marvel of human collaboration and engineering, orbits our planet every 90 minutes. It's not just a satellite, it's a home where astronauts from around the globe live and work, conducting experiments that would be impossible on Earth. Then, we have the Mars rovers, our eyes and ears on the red planet. These robotic explorers, from Spirit and Opportunity to the latest Perseverance rover, have been tirelessly investigating Mars for signs of past or present life, studying its geology and paving the way for future human missions. But who's behind these monumental achievements? The answer is both government agencies and private entities. NASA, the pioneer in space exploration, has been at the forefront, propelling us beyond our pale blue dot and into the cosmos. Their missions have expanded our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Yet, in recent years, private companies have also entered the scene, introducing a new era of commercial space travel. SpaceX, led by visionary Elon Musk, has made headlines with its reusable rockets, Starship prototypes, and ambitious plans for Mars colonization. They've not only revolutionized the economics of space travel, but also sparked a new wave of interest and excitement. In the same vein, companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are making strides in making space tourism a reality, promising the awe-inspiring experience of seeing our planet from space to not just astronauts, but everyday people. As we stand on the brink of further cosmic exploration, it's exciting to ponder what advancements the future may bring. So buckle up and join us as we journey through the possibilities of our spacefaring future. The next 2 decades promise thrilling advancements in space travel. As we look towards the future, we see a roadmap of ambitious missions that will redefine our relationship with the cosmos. At the forefront of these expeditions is NASA's Artemis program. This daring initiative seeks to return humans to the moon. But it's not just about planting another flag. The goal of the Artemis program is to establish a sustainable human presence on the lunar surface. This will not only expand our understanding of the moon, but also serve as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. Speaking of Mars, Elon Musk's SpaceX has its eyes set on the red planet. With plans for manned missions within the next 2 decades, SpaceX aims to make humans a multi-planetary species. The Starship, SpaceX's fully reusable spacecraft, is expected to play a crucial role in this endeavor. But space travel isn't just for astronauts anymore. The rise of space tourism is making the cosmos more accessible than ever. Virgin Galactic, led by Sir Richard Branson, is poised to offer suborbital flights to space tourists. On the other hand, Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin is developing a lunar lander and aims to build a future where millions of people can live and work in space. In the next 20 years, we'll witness a shift in the narrative of space travel. It will no longer be about the journey of a select few, but rather the adventure of many. The cosmos will become a playground for scientists, explorers, and even holidaymakers. Yet we must keep in mind that these advancements are not the end goal, but stepping stones towards a broader vision. The next 2 decades will set the stage for an era of unprecedented exploration and discovery. As we push the boundaries of human potential, we inch closer to answering some of the most fundamental questions about our existence. These advancements, while impressive, are just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. Looking beyond the next 2 decades, the possibilities for space travel become even more mind-boggling. Imagine a universe where humans can travel faster than the speed of light, cutting across galaxies in the blink of an eye. This might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but the concept of warp drives isn't entirely fictional. Scientists are constantly pushing the boundaries of physics to make this a possibility. Then there's the idea of wormholes. These theoretical passageways through the fabric of space-time could potentially allow us to travel incredible distances in an instant. While we're still a long way off from turning this theory into reality, the mere thought of it is exhilarating. Another intriguing prospect is the colonization of other planets. We've long been fascinated by the idea of setting up human colonies on Mars and even further afield, with the aim of making mankind an interplanetary species. However, this isn't a simple task. We'd need to overcome a whole range of challenges, from creating sustainable life support systems to dealing with the psychological effects of living in such an alien environment. And let's not forget the search for extraterrestrial life. As we venture further into the cosmos, we increase our chances of discovering life beyond Earth. This could be microbial life on Mars or something more complex on one of the many exoplanets we're discovering. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would undoubtedly be one of the most significant moments in human history. So, as we gaze into the future of space travel, we find ourselves facing a universe of possibilities. Each of these potential futures comes with its own set of challenges and questions, but they also bring the promise of amazing discoveries and advancements. No matter how far-fetched these possibilities may seem, remember that today's realities were once just figments of our imagination. Of course, the path to these exciting futures isn't without its obstacles. As we dream of deep space voyages and planetary colonization, we must also face the reality of the many challenges that lie ahead. Firstly, let's consider the technical challenges. Space travel requires cutting-edge technology and engineering prowess. Rocket science is, after all, rocket science. Developing the technology for safe, efficient space travel is a monumental task. From creating spacecrafts capable of withstanding the harsh environment of space to developing systems for sustainable life support, these technical challenges are as vast as the cosmos themselves. Then there's the financial aspect. Funding space exploration is a costly venture. It's not just about building a spaceship, it's about sustaining an entire program, including research, development, training, and countless trials and tests. It's a significant investment with a return that isn't always immediate or tangible. And let's not forget the physical challenges. The human body is not designed for space. Prolonged exposure to microgravity can lead to a multitude of health issues, including bone density loss and muscle atrophy. The psychological impact of isolation and confinement in a spacecraft for extended periods is another substantial hurdle. Beyond these challenges, there are also ethical considerations to bear in mind. As we consider colonizing other planets, we must ask ourselves, what if we're not alone? If we discover life forms on other planets, what is our responsibility towards them? Do we have the right to invade their habitat for our survival or curiosity? These are not just scientific questions, but moral ones that require careful thought and discussion. We must also consider the potential for inequity in space travel. Will the benefits and opportunities of space exploration be available to all, or only to a privileged few? It's a question of fairness that we cannot ignore. As we move forward, it's crucial that we navigate these challenges responsibly. Our future in space depends not just on our technological and scientific achievements, but also on our ethical and moral decisions. The universe is a vast and exciting place, but it's up to us to explore it responsibly. Space travel has and will continue to profoundly impact humanity. The ripples of this audacious endeavor have already permeated far beyond the confines of the astronaut's spacesuit, influencing our technology, science, and culture in profound ways. Consider the technological advancements that were birthed from the space race. GPS systems, satellite communications, even memory foam, all these inventions and more owe their existence to space exploration. And this is just the beginning. As we push the boundaries of our cosmic capabilities, we can expect a continued surge of technological innovation, fueled by the challenges and demands of space travel. But the impact of space travel extends beyond technology. It has also catalyzed significant strides in our scientific understanding. Every venture into the cosmos brings back a wealth of knowledge, unraveling the mysteries of our universe bit by bit. From understanding the origins of stars and galaxies to uncovering the possibility of life on other planets, space travel has been instrumental in expanding the frontiers of our knowledge. Equally important is the cultural impact. Space travel has fundamentally shifted our perspective, transforming the way we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos. The iconic image of Earth taken from the moon during the Apollo missions, often referred to as the Blue Marble, was a powerful testament to our shared humanity. It reminded us of our home's fragility and the need to protect it. Looking towards the future, space travel holds the promise of immense benefits. Besides scientific advancement and resource acquisition, it may even be crucial for the survival of our species. As we grapple with the realities of climate change and dwindling resources, the prospect of colonizing other planets is no longer just science fiction. As we gaze up at the stars, we are reminded that space travel is not just about exploring the cosmos, but also about understanding ourselves and our place in the universe. The impact of space travel on humanity is profound and will only deepen as we continue to reach out into the cosmos.